Welcome to my channel, My Home Hob, bringing you delicious recipes from around the world. This week, pan-fried sea bass with braised fennel and fried baby potatoes. And it takes about 45 minutes. This meal's super easy to prepare, and while the fennel's cooking, we'll prepare the rest of the meal. So let's boil our potatoes until they're slightly soft, parboiled. Now remove and leave to cool. And next it's onto our sea bass. You want to drizzle this with a little bit of olive oil and sprinkle with some dried dill. And now let's chop our fennel into quarters. The fennel's got a lovely aniseed flavour. Slice your baby potatoes. We're going to fry these soon. Add 750 ml of chicken stock to a pan. We're going to braise the fennel for 45 minutes and prepare the rest of the meal. Heat some olive oil in a pan and fry your potatoes until they're golden. And set these aside for later. And now it's time to cook our sea bass. You want to cook it 5 minutes on the skin side, then turn it over and cook it for a further 3 minutes on the flesh side. Remove your fennel from the stock, and now we're ready to plate up. And here you go, pan-fried sea bass with braised fennel and fried baby potatoes. Enjoy. If you like what you've seen today, then please remember to like and subscribe to the channel. My name's Craig, this has been My Home Hob. There's a few other links here to other videos I've made. Thank you for watching.